Hi, this is Leah. Welcome to Create with Leah. Today I would like to show you how I create digital planners with like tabs and hyperlinks and everything. Today I'm going to be creating a 10-day digital mandala challenge. Sometimes I want to color something, and mandala is perfect for your mental health as well, just to sit down and start coloring it. I was using an app before, and the app wasn't really a good one because I couldn't really color it, and it was also showing me a lot of ads. So I decided to create my own mandala challenge that I'm going to color within 10 days. So basically there are some apps like this one, it's called Mandala app. You don't really color in here, you just tap on color. So this is like mandala 1, then mandala 2, etc. But the thing is, it has lots of ads in here, and sometimes when you are coloring things, you can easily, click on some kind of ad. Some of them, for example, paid ones, or you have to leave a review, etc. For example, if we decide to color this mandala, we have to pick a color, for example like this, and then you see it doesn't really color it, it's just you tap on it and it kinda colors this way. But I want to actually sit down and feel like I'm coloring it on paper, right? If you buy a physical mandala book and you decide to color it, you're not gonna be clicking on leaves like this, you will be sitting down and then properly coloring everything. So I wanted that paper experience, and without the ads, etc., without paying extra money. So I decided to create my own mandala challenge. This 10-day mandala challenge I've created using Canva, only my iPad, my pen, and Canva. That's it. And it is hyperlinked. So like for every day I have different mandalas, and I've completed the first day of my challenge. Because it was the first day, when it comes to corners, I wasn't really doing well, but I think by the time I reach day 10, I will be more experienced. And now I want to show you how I created such a mandala challenge on Canva. So let's get started. So I'm going to find Canva app, and then I'm going to create a design, and that's going to be a custom size. For digital planners, I usually use 10 to 15 inches, this one. Okay, now first let's create our template. So for that, we're going to take some kind of elements from here. I'm gonna go and grab, I basically need something like this. More or less it's okay. I need to find in my uploads ring. I will go for this one. Yep, something like this. Now we need to create some tabs, right? Okay, so now we've created a digital planner template with 10 tabs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Actually 11 tabs, because the 11th will be the reflection for this whole experience. So this is a 10-day mandala challenge that we are now going to create with this template. We don't need this grid because we are going to place the mandala art directly here. So for that, we have to write something like white in here. and then pick any white background we'll find. So I'm gonna pick this one. Yep, so you see it looks like a paper. If we remove that, it looks like a paper. So we're gonna add this kind of a mandala paper. Now what we need is we will need to copy this page. So you see we need to have 11 of those pages. So we have 2 at the moment, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the 11th will be the reflection day, right? So now let's come back to the first page, and now we can start placing our mandalas here. So for that, I'm gonna first choose my 10 mandalas, and then we will decorate the tabs, and then we add the cover page. Actually, let's leave a page for cover page, right? So I'm gonna copy this once more. Okay, so this is going to be a cover page. For a cover page, I can go and grab from my uploads some kind of leather. So we can go and pick any. I think this kind of rose gold suits better rather than a leather. So let's go and pick something to put in here. And here we can write our name, date, name it as a challenge. So this is our cover page, right? Now let's come back to the page 2. Now this is page 2. We're going to write here mandala art. And then let's pick something that is easy to draw, not like the complicated ones like here. We can pick something very easy, not to draw, but to color actually, because we are creating a coloring page, right? So this is going to be one of the images. So we've picked our first mandala image. Now let's go for the second one. So again, we're gonna go and grab something from here. Something that is going to be enjoyable and not too complicated. Okay, we can grab that. Then, third page, you can grab this. The purple lines, they show that it's in the middle, it's in the center. So, like so, we know that it's in the center. Now, page number 6. Let's grab this one. Again, with purple lines, we know that it's in the center. Number 7. We can keep grabbing the easy ones, or we can now go for more difficult ones. But I think you've got the gist by now. So I'm gonna grab this one and place it like so. And of course you're gonna pick the ones that you like the most. Oh wow, we have so many different versions here. And we have only 10-day challenge. So now we have to wrap it up and choose our last image. Yeah, basically you don't have to drag things. You can just click on it and it's gonna appear here. Okay, so that's our 10-day challenge. Now for the last page, we're gonna make it a reflection page. So I need to put some kind of lines in here. For that, I'm gonna go to again elements and then find the lines. So like this one. The line should be like the weight should be 1. I mean, that's what I like. And then the color, I prefer to have it a little bit grayish. Okay, so we just take that and then we copy. Yep, and we put a text in here. Let's pick a font. I think this is good. Then we should make it smaller. Notes. Yep. Now I'm gonna copy that. Copy button. Okay, I'm just gonna click on it and copy it. Okay, so that's day 1, that's day 2. That's day 3. Okay, so we've created our cover page. Now we have everything what we need. So basically we have the cover page, we have all our mandalas, all our mandalas here. And now what we need to do is, we even created the reflection day. So let's name it reflection. We have the reflection day, we have everything. What we need is now to work on tabs. How are we gonna do that? Basically, I'm gonna bring this to the front and then I'm gonna change the color. I'm gonna pick this rose gold color, maybe this one, or maybe this one. I mean, it depends which color you want to pick. So I like this rose gold color. And I'm gonna write in here day 1. I'm gonna pick a normal subheader text and I'm gonna type day 1. Okay, now we're gonna take that one and then make it smaller. Place it here and maybe make it white. Let's color it into white. So we're gonna bring it a little bit here and make it a little bit smaller. Okay, that's going to be day 1. Now we're gonna copy that and then come here and we're gonna say this is day 2. Okay, let's first do the same trick. Rose gold, bring it to the front and then paste our text. We're gonna do the same here, position, forward, change the color. And then paste. Okay, so we've created all the tags now. So for every day we have a tab, right? Now we need to place these tabs even on the gray ones. But before doing that, sorry, I forgot to tell you that we need to first add a hyperlink, right? So I'm going to add a hyperlink for this one, for the page 2, because it's day 1 and it's in the page 2. So I'm going to take that, add a hyperlink, page 2, okay? It has this underline that we can remove from here. Okay, so now it's hyperlinked. Now I'm gonna take that hyperlinked day 1, copy, and I'm gonna paste it everywhere. So I'm gonna remove this one and then paste a new one. So that's a hyperlinked day 1 word already placed on this tab. Same here. I'm sure there is a quicker way to do this, but maybe on computer it's quicker, maybe with a keyboard it's quicker instead of doing it by hand. But I mean, if that's what you have at the moment, I mean, only iPad and pen, then that's how you can do it. So now we finished with day 1. Now we're gonna come to day 2. And then I'm going to take that and then I'm going to add a hyperlink, and the hyperlink will be for the page 3. So I'm going to say 3 here. Okay, it's already on page 3. Again, we need to remove the underline here. Now this day 2 is also hyperlinked. What we're going to do is we're going to take a copy of it, and then we're going to place everywhere where we are missing day 2, and it's gonna be already hyperlinked. Now we're gonna go for day 3 and do the same trick. So it's going to be page 4, right? So we're gonna add a hyperlink to page 4. And then we're going to remove the underline. Now it's hyperlinked. Now we're going to take this text, we copy it and place it everywhere. Oops, it's already there, so we have to remove it. Same thing for day 4, and then I will finish it off till the end. Okay, so now we have a proper digital challenge for, creative mandala for every day. So we've got 10 days plus the reflection day, and all these tabs are actually hyperlinked between each other. So I've created the hyperlinks. It's supposed to be position forward like this. So I've created the hyperlinks inside Canva, so they are linked between each other. Okay, so every day has a different mandala for us to color. So, and then the final one is the reflection day. So we've got a nice shadow, we've got all the tabs that change in color to rose gold, we've got the note, the text here, which is also rose gold, and we have a binder. This kind of binders you can buy on Etsy. Now let's name it. We have to write a text here. So we've got a nice cover page as well, and I've created everything in front of you right now here in Canva without going to PowerPoint or without going to Keynote or without any keyboard or mouse, just with my hands and the pen. Now, okay, we're gonna write something in here. Let's name it. Let's get the header one, and then let's name it Mandala 10-day Mandala Challenge. 10-day Mandala Challenge. Not sure, it doesn't really look good. So we've got this one, Barlow Semi. Let's go and take the Barlow Semi here. Again, let's make it rose gold. Let's remove this one because the text is too much. Okay. Maybe we can go and pick something from here. Alright, so we've got a very nice 10-day mandala challenge. Yay! We've created it. So it's hyperlinked and everything is working fine for now. Now let's download this and then put it into our Goodnotes and see how it works there. Now we're gonna come here and download it as a PDF. Let's say PDF standard, so we don't want a high quality PDF. We need a smaller file, so I'm gonna say PDF standard and then we're gonna say download it. And we are going to open it in Goodnotes. Alright, so we have a 10-day mandala challenge. Let's check if all tabs work. For that, we just click on each day. You see, wow, cool, it works. All the tabs, they work, so we can go to any day we want. We can also reflect on each mandala or after the mandala challenge finished. Now let's start with the first day, and then we can actually start, coloring this mandala here on Goodnotes. So for that, I'm gonna click on this, and then I'm gonna choose a highest brush. So we can go and choose that one, and I'm gonna choose the brush pen. You can choose the ball pen, fountain pen, and I think I'm gonna go for the brush pen. And okay, so now I'm gonna make this one a red. Let's try it. I'm not gonna come close to the lines here, so I don't cover the black one. Maybe I will go here more precise like this. So on the corners, I will be more precise when it comes to corners. I wish it had a pencil option. Would be much better if it had a pencil option. At the moment it has only brush pen, ball pen and fountain pen, and there is no pencil option. It has a highlighter though. We can also use the highlighter. We'll use it later on for the dots, but it doesn't have a pencil option. Now let's try to use the big one, the bold one. Oops. Now let's go back to the thinnest option. Okay, now let's try highlighter for the little dots here. I'm gonna go for green. Okay, there are no shortcuts, so I'm just going to complete creating this mandala. Now I'm gonna pick purple, something like this maybe, and I'm gonna put them here. Let's pick another color, maybe this one. The day one challenge is done. I'm not really a mandala girl, so I didn't particularly create the best coloring here, but more or less it's not perfect, but I think by day 10 I will be perfect. I hope so. So this is the challenge day number 1 of our mandala challenge. In order to access the tabs, at the moment we are on an editing mode in Goodnotes. In order to access the tabs, we need to click on this link here, button here, and then we just by clicking on these tabs we can find which mandala we are working on that particular day. So since I am on day 1, this is what we have as an end result. I hope you liked this video. If so, please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned with me. My name is Leah and this is a Create with Leah channel. Thank you and goodbye.